Hello everyone, today I will show you how to print a PDF file booklet format and containing per sheet 4 pages using Adobe Acrobat Pro. This is a PDF file and I will be print it booklet format and per sheet 4 pages. Click on this file option and select a print option. This printer dialog box now open. You can say the printer here and select here booklet option and this is size fit x or size and this is booklet option. Click here and you can print only front side back side and select both side and select sheet from 4 pages. This is 2 pages and 2 pages plus 4 pages. I select here binding left side and simply select print and rename a PDF file, save and wait for a few seconds. Our file now progressing and see this 4 pages now printing per sheet. Yeah, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comment.